Hello, beautiful people. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, enjoying, and living your happy life. So, I know and I hope you are liking, subscribing, and sharing my channel for new videos every day. And today, I have brought a very interesting video for you guys, which is the house of Elon Musk. Okay, guys, so he, as all everybody knows, you have the Tesla and the Twitter and everything else. So he launched his new Tesla house, which is just beyond beyond our imagination. This tiny house, I guess, costs so much, but it's Tesla house. Okay, so I just want to get a sneak peek of his house inside what is in his house. It's just kind of look a simple, clean and neat house, yet classy. So I at least love his new house, the Tesla house, and you're gonna also love his other houses as well. I mean, of course, you have billion of stuffs and billion of net worth. So I hope you guys are liking my channel, and let me know what else you wanna see. I will bring in my videos. And look at this color combination, white and a blue. Wow, I mean, just amazing. Oh, look at this couch. This is so cool. Whoa, the kitchen. It's amazing, guys. It's amazing. Everything looks so pretty, so beautiful. I just love everything in this. So I hope you are also liking it, and you're gonna share it and subscribe it, and let me know in the comment box what you like or what you don't like. So we'll meet next in this next channel with next video again. Bye bye.